What would happen if crazy bold Russian explained modern warfare?
Let's check this out. And boom. And boom. And boom. Pretty awesome, huh? And boom. And boom. And boom, look at this. Look how beautiful it is. And boom. And boom. This is so cool. Wow. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Thumbs up this video if you liked it, and as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Winning is everything. Being first is everything. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. You will finish first. You are a winner. Nope. I have made my first ASMR video. I call it Morning Whisper. While tier lists have started as a simple visual medium for a topic expert to provide guidance, as always with internet hypes, they have now become an annoying collection of questionable lists created by even more questionable people. Well, sounds exactly something for me then. So here follow my own tiers list of my favorite tiers. Now you know.
Did you know that power napping increases productivity by 34%?
No, I did not.
We spend so much time at work, in front of the screen or in transit, and we thought, why not create something that helps us nap, disconnect and dream?
Of course.
All you have to do is find a place to nap, slip on the ostrich pillow, and you're set to go.